Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the Scatach jump starter and compressor, air compressor. It also works as a power bank, but that's not really why I bought it. In any case, if you look around, it comes with a case. In any case, it comes with a case, and it's very strong and sturdy. So let's open it up. When you open it up, this is what you find, and I've already been using and testing this. I just put it back in its case for presentation for this video, but I already know how it works, and I'm happy to say that it works. So if you just want to skip this video, you can. I didn't find anything horrendous, but this is what it comes with. The jump starter came in this bag. Of course, I already took it out, and here's our jump starter. Okay, so let's look around it, and it has these buttons over here. This right here, let me zoom in. This is the light, power. This selects the mode, plus and minus, and at the top, this connection right here, that's for the compressor. This is the LED. This is where you charge it. This is the power out if you want to charge your phone or whatever device with it, so if you're using it as a power bank. And this is where you connect the accessory to the jump starter. And these are the accessories. This is for the compressor, and this is for the jump starting. So like I said, I've already been using this. I've already been testing it. It works fine as expected, but we're going to do a demonstration anyway in my garage. So before we go to my garage, I want to take a look at it. So to turn it on, you press and hold this center button over here. Press and hold, and it turns on. So now we are ready to either jump start a car or inflate a tire. So if you want to inflate a tire, you might want to change the settings depending on where you live. You can change it to bicycle settings, loop settings, I'm not really sure what that is, and then a basketball, that limits the pressure so you won't explode the basketball. Or you can leave it in car, and we're going to use it mostly in a car. So if you want to change the pressure, you can use the plus or minus keys over here. For example, let me change it to PSI. Okay, so let me leave it in PSI, but without the basketball, so it works in a car. And right here, let's see how much we can go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that because I don't see why you would want to do all that, and it would probably burn out this compressor if you did it this much. And if you want to go down, of course, you just press the down button or the negative button. Okay, and this button right here just controls the light. I did forget to mention that. Not that it matters, you're not going to use this as a flashlight, but if you need a light, you can always just turn it on and off like that. Press and hold and turns it on. Press and hold, turns it off. Okay, so now we are ready to go to my garage, and we're going to do just a demonstration inflating a tire and jump starting the engine. Okay, so first let's drain the battery. Let's turn on the lights. Power on the device. Connect the cables. I'm going to do that off camera because I only have two hands and I have to hold the camera with one hand. Okay, so it starts flashing like that. That means it's ready to connect. Connect the cables. Black with negative, red with positive. Okay, so we're in my garage and we're gonna inflate a tire. So again, press and hold to power on. There we are. So it's in bar, so let's change it to PSI. And now this tire requires 33 PSIs. So let's go to 33. Okay, that's 33. So now we just connect the hose. We come over here. Let's move this. And right now it's at 32.5, so we just got a little bit to go. So let's start it. Press. And there we are, 33. So disconnect. And that's it. To power off, just press and hold the power button. Do not forget to put the cap back on. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and like I said, I have tested this on different vehicles and it works great on every single one of them. I really have no complaints about this device. It has a compressor, it has a jump starter, it has that light. You can use it to charge your phones like a power bank. So I have no complaints. Probably my only complaint is this name, Scatach. So I wish they would have picked something else other than Scatach. But yeah, the case is very good. It's very strong. So everything's great. And I do recommend it 100%. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.